Alright, today we're going to show you how to upgrade the HP Mini. And all you're going to need for this is a very tiny computer electronics flathead screwdriver. Basically just a pin. Let's flip this guy over here. And to take out the battery, we push both of these in, pop it out, it's very thin, put that aside. And then there's a little mechanism right to the left of the battery release switch on the left side here. There's two battery release switches. Once you push this one all the way in on the left here, when it's all the way to the right, it's got a little hole that's revealed where it's kind of a pull switch. And when you push that to the left, this pops open. I'll do that again for those of you who didn't see that. See, that pops open. So you take the cover off, put that aside. There's the memory. There's two little clips on either side. You push this one out and push this one out. The memory just pops right out like that. Take the old memory out. And then I got some Corsair gaming memory. This is very good memory, really good timings, really good speed, 2 gigabytes. So we're going to put this in place of the 1 gig that was there. And we just take it and make sure you recognize that it's keyed to let you know which way goes in first. You just slide it right in there like that. Make sure it's nice and snug, and then press it down till both clips snap in. And put the cover back on. Alright. Put the battery back in. And we're done. That was pretty painless. And turn it on. And that's how you upgrade the HP Mini to 2 gigabytes of memory. By the way, that 2 gigabyte chip was only, I think, $70 at Best Buy, or $64.99 at Best Buy. So you can pick one of these up for $349 and one of those for $70, and it's got a pretty nice little portable laptop with a solid-state drive on it. Thanks for watching.